So when I purchased the boat, it came with one of these. It's a, and there's a close-up of this, Hurricane II Combi Hydronic heating system. The previous owner took out the standard water heater system that heated the water from the engine or through off the mains, and put in this system. It runs off a diesel. Not only heats the water, but it heats the entire boat. So there are water pipes fed through the entire boat with blowers in various locations. Not that I'll ever get to use them down in Mexico, but yeah, if the boat ever went to the Pacific Northwest, it would be nice and toasty. So I've not switched this thing on, and today I've decided I'm going to bite the bullet and switch it on. I'm a bit nervous. I've never used one before. I don't like the idea of an internal combustion system other than the engine in the boat. But I'm sick of the constantly cold showers at the marina in La Paz. They did fix them. It lasted, I don't know, a couple of weeks, and back to normal. Cold water showers for $1,100 a month slip fee. Pretty good, eh? So that's forced me to do something I didn't want to do, which was figure out how this thing works. And I'll show you the components, and then I'm going to switch it on, and hopefully don't burn the boat down. But we'll see. I am not confident about this at all. However, the previous owner said it's the best thing that he's put on the boat. So there's got to be some merit in it, and it's worth a go. So here we go. So there are several components, two of them here, a burner on and off switch, and a element on and off switch, and a circuit breaker. That's simple enough. There's a separate Raycor fuel filter specifically for the heating system, and that's mounted beside the two Raycor ones to the engine. And then the unit is here. So it has a control on and off buttons here. Here's the water in and out, fuel in and return. This is the expansion tank for the heating system, a mixer to control the level of heat in the hot water, and a summer and winter gate valve here. In the summer, when it's set to summer, which it is now, it only heats the water. If you move the lever to the right, it heats the water and pumps hot water through the boat, or hot liquid through the boat, because it's based on antifreeze, and that goes to blower units that blow out the hot air. And then you also have this control panel here, and something that it didn't mention in the instructions about a circulation pump, so I'm not sure what that's for. Probably to do with the heating rather than the hot water. So yeah, let's follow the instructions and switch it on and see what happens. Okay, so here we go. First off, this lever's got to be set to summer. That all looks good. And then press the power on button. Well, something's happening. It's making a noise. And then out here, switch on the burner. Nothing. Hasn't changed. Power light's on, but the burner light's not on, and the lights on here haven't. Oh, there's one on there. What does that say? I can't see that. Hang on. Well, the light on there said the fuel pump was on, but it didn't fire up. So back to the instruction manual. Perhaps you have to turn this burner switch on first. Let's try that. No. Nothing. Don't know. Well, that switched it on. I just pressed the reset button and pressed the power switch, left it 10 seconds, and then pressed the burner switch, and after 10 seconds it came on. So but none of these lights on here are on. A bit noisy. Let me check these lights here. Wow. Let's close the door and see how loud it is without the door open. Well, actually, that's not too bad. So the power's on there. So Michael said leave it on 3 to 5 minutes to heat the tank. So let's see. I'll show you the rest of the system from the heating perspective. So here are the controllers for the heat. It must come out through these fans down here and one over there, and apparently there's one up here somewhere. Don't know where that is. No idea. I don't know what that is. Oh well. But then there's another thermostat up here. I'm hoping it's going to work. And here's one of the blower units, which obviously will only work when the it's put onto boat heat. So that's the noise level within the boat, not too intrusive. I'm still a bit nervous. Never used one of these before. And now I want to go outside and see where the exhaust is. Well, the exhaust comes out the aft end of the boat, but for some reason the heater's switched itself off. I don't know why. It just died. Let's test the water. Oh shit, the water's hot. Bloody hell, that was quick. That's got to have only been about 3, 4, 5 minutes at the most. Look, you can see the steam coming off of it. That's why it shut itself off. Whoa! That's good. That is really, really quick. Now, how'd you turn the damn thing off? Turn the burner off. And this must go off of its own accord. And the on-off button doesn't do anything. Wow. Time for a shower. Well, that was the result. Happy with the outcome of that. Didn't expect it to go so smoothly, but there you go. It works. The last part of this video, my next door neighbour's 10-year-old son offered to help me fit a fishing rod holder to the dinghy, and it's worth watching because it is extremely funny. It's best to teach them at a young age what happens when you try and do stuff around water, and anybody that's done any repairs or upgrades on a boat will appreciate the last 5 minutes of this video. Watch it, it's funny. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you like it, and please subscribe, like, and if you want to make any comments, please do so. But enjoy the humorous last 5 minutes. Thank you.
Only look, this connects here. Wait, is it going? Is it going?
Yeah, I think it's going.
Oh well.
Right, let me just mark it and then you can do the first.
Okay. It's better when you use a team.
And mark this other one. And that one.
There now.
Can you see where they are? There's one. There, look.
And also the one under it.
So you can see them a bit better.
That one needs a little help. All of them needed a little help.
They did, right.
Nice, that's better.
So now you've got to drill this all the way through. So come over here.
Okay.
And you need to keep the drill at that angle. There.
Even through the metal?
All the way through. Okay. Keep the drill down a bit. Back of the drill down. That's it. Go slower. Go on, keep going.
Just having trouble getting through the metal.
Is there a metal at the back, is there? Oh, there's that nameplate. Okay. Try the other ones. Try the one down the bottom. That's him. Oh, that went through. That was quick. Right, and here we go. Put that one on.
Everything was just paused because we didn't have the right bolts.
Right, and then put that one on.
Let it slip.
Hold that in place and put that one on.
I don't know, but I think I'm getting my face in it.
No, I don't think so. We can always cut it out later.
Really?
Yeah. You got to edit the video because there's bits in it.
Oh no!
Oh no! What did you drop?
I accidentally dropped both of them in.
Both the washer and the nut?
Yeah.
Oh dear. I'm glad you did it, not me.
Oops. Sorry.
Alright, pull it back out. We'll have to find the right size nut and washer.
Oh boy.
That always happens. Yeah. You always say, I hope I don't drop this, and what happens?
You drop it.
Yeah, drop it.
Yeah.
Right, try again.
Okay. Okay. Now, I really hope I don't.
What about if I hold this one, and then you've got both hands free?
Nice. I don't want to drop this one.
I'm going to throw you in the water if you drop the next one.
Hey!
I'm going to put your diving mask on. You can go get it.
It's too deep for me. I almost filled my lungs with water at the pool.
Did you get it on?
Yep.
Oh, wow. Well done.
I see the YouTube thing. Sailing Milagro. That's your YouTube channel?
Yeah. Sailing Milagro. Your mum watched a video last night.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh boy.
What
did you do?
When those people tried to steal my dinghy.
Oh. Did you post this so people would sort of feel sorry for you?
No, just to let people know that. Oh, does that not fit? Maybe a slightly different size.
Oh, got it.
Got it?
I just didn't put it.
Alright, I'll hold that on.
Yes.
And
please.
you screw it in. Now you know how to do it. You definitely won't drop this one.
I hold my hand under. There.
Done?
But it's still loose.
We've got to tighten them up. Which way are you doing it up? You doing it up the right way?
I need something to hold this in.
Alright, let me get a screwdriver.
Good idea.
Guess what? It's not here. Guess what? I've got to climb up again.
Yeah, right. That sucks. I'm not dropping your wrench in here.
Good. Because you're definitely going swimming if you did.
Okay. Plus, I don't know how, really. I'm not very good.
That's alright, just tie a stone to you and throw you in, you'll soon sink.
Hey, but how am I going to hold my breath and...
We'll tie a line to you so we can pull you back up.
Oh. Okay. Yeah, right. How am I going to hold my breath that long? Do I just use a scuba diver suit?
Yeah. Right, which one are you doing? This one?
Yeah.
Okay, it's alright.
But first I want to
Oh, you want to do
the
this one?
top
Okay.
one.
Oh no!
Shoot, sorry. Oh. Oh no.
So a nut and bolt and a wrench.
Oh no. No, I can't tighten it. There we go.
And then when you put the rod in,
You
put the rod in there and then you turn that and it keeps it in place.
Yeah, and even if you nap, the fish won't get away.
Yeah.
It'll keep wrestling until you wake up and you're like, oh, I got a fish on the line, and you quickly realize.
So all we lost was a nut, a washer, and a wrench. That's not bad.
Yeah,
that's not bad.
Not so bad as losing this.
Yeah. Thank you for your help, Trent.
You're welcome.